compare and contrast different types of man-made systems in terms of their objectives and functionalities. So now we are going to discuss about how the computerized, that means automated system is working. Okay, so according to our main topic system, we are going to discuss about the what are the automated system. Man-made system which can control by computer or computers, we call the automated system. It consists of interrelated, interdependent subsystems. So I think you may already written that. The office automated system, home automated system, automated shopping checkout systems, expert systems, smart system we can take as the automated systems. Office automations. Later I'll send you the print screen. I'll just explain everything first. Office, or else you can take the print screen while I'm explaining. Okay, starting from this slide. Okay, you take the print screen. Because there are pictures also. You may open the PowerPoint presentation and take the print screen of this. But Monday when you are coming, complete all the notes and come. Office automation system mean office, the system which use the computerized method, word processing, electronic mails, office work schedules, system that are designed to increase the productivity of the employees. That means inside the office going to improve the productivity of the office. Okay, so when we consider about this one, actually it is only the old system that, hold on. The note which has given is altogether around 5 years old, but now I have already updated the note. Normally office system consists of IoT. Okay, in our syllabus they have given only the first section, this part, but now we have the Internet of Things facilities. Before we move to the office, we can switch on the AC, we can switch on the lights using IoT systems. So switching on and off security, doors, AC, fans, TV, lights through the app using mobile phone with the help of IoT, Internet of Things. So those features are available today. So now earlier days with the remote controller we did, but now it's automatically through the phone we can operate before moving to the room. Okay, so this, no need to draw this diagram. You may take the print screen of this diagram, pictures, and take the print screen of the picture. Then next one, the slide you have to write the note. Transaction processing system. The transaction processing systems are computerized systems that perform and record the daily routine transaction necessary to contact a business and serve the operational level user of the organization. Example, mobile transaction app provide email transaction 20 records, foreign transactions. So actually we can check around in People's Bank app, we can check around 20 transactions backwards. Okay, so likewise nowadays it's totally up to date, and through the SMS and through the email, the transactions are updating for each one. Only the smartphone is needed. We can do main transaction, but there are some limitation around 1 lakh or no, 2 lakhs likewise give the limitation. But you can expand the amount when you discuss with the business banking sectors. So management information system. So I think it's better if you can search these. Now you can find a picture of them, Sampath Bank account, commercial bank apps. Okay, just watch those things. And you should know how to do the online transaction nowadays. I think you may have done it also. Then management information system. Management information systems are information system that serves the functions, planning, controlling, and help to get the decision making by providing the routine, summary, and expectation report for the management level user of an organization. So going to make the summary. For example, now your attendance, I'm sending to the school office number as well. And your link also going to the school office. So what are they doing? They will take the attendance for how many number of, that means the number of students which participate for the online. Likewise, there is a Excel sheet. They are according to the class teachers feedback. Okay, so then what is happening? It's automatically updates. So as a school, we are using management system. Just think about those data gathered by the Nigamba zonal office. Then they are taking another decision, top level management. We can call decision making system. According to the school information, they will take, okay, from this one, how many number of these days, how many students join the online student, like online lessons. Likewise, can take some additional further decisions. So these management information records are needed to get the decision making, whether online is good or bad. Like, so zonal office can get a decision, or else education department can get a decision. So that means the higher the people who are on top level will take the decision. But school wise, we are doing the management system. Then management system people, that means student, teacher is there analyzing. It's efficient. No need to draw the diagram, just to know. Then draw the graph. So in my Excel sheet, I can make a graph, the attendance. If I complete number of days, quickly I can plot a graph. So decision support system are the top level people who are on top the management. So decision support system is DSSR, information system that combine data and sophisticated analytical models or data analysis tools to support semi-structured and unstructured decision making for management level use of organization. Actually, this is high management level will take. Semi-structured mean halfway sort out. Unstructured means just the data. Then with the decision support system, can find out the proper path to move. So decision support system offers potential to assist in solving both semi-structured, unstructured. Semi-structured mean halfway. For example, in the Masonet, number of students, that means around 50% student participate for online or not. Likewise, can get some information from particular school. So St. Mary's or whatever school, when we take that school, how many students? So whether facilities are available for that school. Likewise, the school-wise, they can identify the number of students involved and whether what are the facility, lack of facilities. That means if they don't have a computer, just imagine Monragal area, the student rural area. So they may don't have any internet facilities. So the attendance will be poor. So they can get a decision, okay, need to provide the internet facilities and some equipment. Likewise, top level management, that means above the top level management, decision makers are there. They will find out the most suitable opinion path to get the decision. Therefore, the data problem can be semi-structured or unstructured and find out the path. So you better write this note, not the diagram. Okay. Executive support systems. For this one, you must draw the diagram, just the triangle, not in the people, and entire slide you have to write. So executive support systems are the information system that are unstructured decision making through advanced graphic and communication for the strategic level of the user of organization. Just the operational school level or section wise, section heads, class teachers, and the section heads send the attendance to the office. So office people, they will send into the zonal department. So from the zonal office or Western Province, education department will take the executive level decision whether to continue the online or not. Okay, executive supports will be there. So our record will update to the MIS update their one to decision support. From the decision support, executive level people will get the top level decision regarding the online. Not only online, whatever the thing in this country, experts, executive level people will take the final decision. Geographical information system. So I think you might know tsunami and earthquake information, snow for not in Sri Lanka, snowfall in normally other countries. The roads are full with snow, then it's difficult to ride the vehicle. So for that, snow alarm system, snow information system, and weather forecasting system, everything is handled with the geographical information system. Mainly, we need the GPRS satellite connection to identify the location and gather their information. So geographical information system are computer systems that allow to map, model, query, and analyze large quantities of data within a single database according to their location. So if you want to see the temperature of the Melbourne this moment, you can search through the internet. If you want to find out temperature in America, you can find it through the internet. So that means each and every town informations are interact with each other through the geographical information system. Next one, remote sensing. Use of satellites or aircraft to capture information about Earth's surface, digital or the images, key product. So remote sensing is available in the under the geographical. So remote location finding through the remote sensing, we can gather all the information, temperature and the snow level and weather, everything can gather. So this known in the diagram, you may write the notes. Next one, known in the diagram, just seventh one, knowledge management system. So knowledge management system is comprise a range of practice which in an organization to identify, create, represent, distribute, and enable adaptation of the insight and experiences. Such insight and experiences comprise knowledge either embodies an individual or embedded in the organization. So knowledge management system are the top level. So they will take the more knowledge-based decisions. You have to take the same note what they have given. So organizations identify the whether it is able to do or not to do. Likewise, final decision. So no need the diagram. Just look at that. People involved, then process is there, advice is available, information. Then context management system. So context management systems are the computer application that support creation and modification of digital content. The support mean, for example, if you are going to make some kind of website, Wikipedia information is available in the Wikipedia content. So hold on for a little. Content management system are computer application that support the creation and modification of digital content. So user can do some modification, updates. So Wikipedia, we can update some theory also as users, as authorized users, they can update the data. It supports multiple users working in collaborative environment. Example, CMS are web-based publishing, format management, history editing, and version control, indexing, search, and retrieval. Content management supports the separation of content and presentation. So that system automatically update by separating. So ICT information with the subtitle, I think you might see topic, first topic under first ICT, then input, like the way how Wikipedia analyzed their work, we can say as a context management system. Then known in this diagram, enterprise resource planning. Enterprise resource planning means ERP system, that business process management system that allow organization to use integrated application management. So when we consider about the business from collecting materials to delivering product, there is huge processes going on. And enterprise resource planning system automates many back office function related to the technology services and human resources. ERP software integrate product planning, development, and manufacturing sales and marketing. So here we will consider about the how ERP system is going on. That means from the way we collect the materials and sell the product, that means building the system and making the after making product, when we are selling up to that, everything we are going to discuss in this. Take the print screen also here. Expert system. So expert system are computer application that use artificial intelligence. So now we are going to see what is artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence means identify the environmental pattern and get the next decision. Okay, it has ability to identify the environment pattern and take the final decision. To decide an expert system, one needs a knowledge engineer or individual who studies how human experts make decisions and translate the rules into terms of that computer can understand. So it find out how the computer can understand. So for example, it uses the application of AI. So when we consider about the expert system, there is a knowledge expert person, and that knowledge is going to embed it into the database, knowledge database as a software. So then it use the interference engine. That means through the database, when the user asks some requirement searching information, when the user asks some information according to the database, go through the user interface, then according to the database available information, it gives us the advice. Okay, so user request or search some information through the interface. For example, Google is the interface. Then from that connected into the database, will give the result. So knowledge has to be updated into the database. This diagram is very important. I have seen this one in Columbus Oral question papers. You have to draw this one also, important. Huh? And I'm also giving it as a question. Expert system is an artificial intelligence computer system that shows the decision-making ability of a human expert. So as we discussed earlier, I think it has given me. No, just write this one also. Expert system is an artificial intelligence computer system that shows a decision-making ability. AI system, it shows the ability and ability of a human expert to get decision. It helps to previous pattern. That is very important. The previous pattern of data or information and analyze. We take the previous pattern of data then and analyze it. Regularly, what is happening? It knows that. So that we call as expert system. You have to copy this slide also. Part of that, I think you may know them. Sophia is the South Arabian, got the citizenship, but finally when the people program, the one who program it has going against the human beings, then it's temporarily shut it down. So the Robert Jaja, so those people are, those not people, robots are artificial intelligence systems. So according to the previous pattern can get the idea. So these things you may search, okay? I'm not going to show the video record also. And I'll send you the links which I have. Smart system take decision based on the available data in predictive or adaptive manner. Predictive means given some information, according to that reactive. Adaptive means according to the situation, it identify the environment feedback and give the decision. So by means censoring, actuating, and controlling. Smart actions incorporate the ways to describe and analyze. It incorporate how to analyze the system. systems can be contribute autonomous. Autonomous means self-autonomy, can take the decision itself. So smart system take its own decision according to the previous knowledge of the pattern, identify the pattern because there is AI. So operation is based on closed loop control, energy efficiency, and working networking capability. Because of this networking capability, the robot Sophia has shut down. Why? The robots can communicate with each other through the network. So when robot Sophia going against human being, so through the Sophia's network, AI network connection, the Sophia can spread it as a virus, the going against the people. That's what the Sophia has shut it down. So self-autonomous means can take its own decision, energy efficiency, can work quicker. Then last one is smart cars. So smart system incorporate, normally you should know what is smart system. So smart system incorporate functions of sensing, identify, environment, sensation, and control in order to describe and analyze the situation. So according to the situation, it will get the decision what to be done and make decision based on the available data. So according to the available data, it will take decision in predictive, according to the previous record and what to be done. Likewise, according to the previous information, it get the decision or adaptive manner. So according to the situation, it will adapt. That means if there are a lot of disturbance according to the situation, it will take its own decision what to be done. Then thereby performing the actions. So when you see this smart car, that means self-driving car, it will detect around 10-meter distance barriers and stop the car. So likewise, it will keep on riding. So there's no driver. Normally deaf and disabilities, blind people and kids, they are using the self-driving cars. So when someone give the location, it automatically take the people to destination. But this is not suitable for Sri Lanka. Our infrastructure facilities is very low, no internet facilities in rural area, and pits and bumps on the road. So difficult, then bumps will identify like barriers, as well as normally when schools closed, all the children were running over the road, then a 10-meter distance means that vehicle will take around 1 hour to go 100 or 1 kilometer. Why? When the too much of barrier, I mean, it will automatically stop. So I have the record, I will send it. Now altogether you have 11 topics and all the slides. Okay, I'll give you the print screen. That's all for recording. Then Monday you have to complete all the notes and brain.